Andrew Childers appearing on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender Don Glebe on behalf of Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, could you state your name, sir?
Matthew Smith.
Thank you. Need to take your hands out of your pocket.
And Your Honor, we are requesting an adjournment today. Today, we are still waiting on some media discovery. I was informed that it was sent yesterday.
That what?
That it was sent yesterday.
Okay. In probable cause conference, January 29th, 2026, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good afternoon.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Joy Gaines, Senior Assistant Public Defender, representing Mr. Williams. Sir, would you please state your name for the record?
Mario Williams.
Your Honor, Mr. Williams is indicating that he wishes to set the matter for a preliminary exam.
Discovery is complete.
That is my understanding, Your Honor. Is that correct?
People, other witnesses available to 27. Preliminary examination in person, January 27th.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Philip Whiteford on behalf of Mr. O'Neill Muirhead. Your Honor, today's the second hearing date. And last week you gave us a order to come in person.
Yes.
Would you like me to check the hallway to see if we have not seen him? We did look.
You have not seen him.
We have not seen him.
Vergeau. We are not here. And would you like to take a default?
I would like to take a default judgment, Your
All right,
Honor.
who's going to give the testimony? You?
I have my client here, or I can.
Okay, either one. I just need him sworn.
You want to say how much is the rent? You want
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm testimony you're about to give with the truth, whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, I do.
All
You
right.
filed a complaint in this matter? Yes. As of today, how much rent to retain possession is owed?
5,700,
And costs are,
181,
and you're asking for a judgment of
5881.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession, redemption amount in the amount requested with the writ to issue in 10 days.
Your Honor, I have a judgment prepared with 12626 and advise the motion set aside by 12626
That is correct.
with the, thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, folks. Have a good day.
And will the court give us a copy or will the,
You may be able to get one up front.
okay, thank you very much, Your Honor.
Short staffed here, but okay. Thank you.
Sir.
Let's call the case. Zhenfeng Zhang versus Kelly Ruddick. Good
Good afternoon.
afternoon.
Eric Naslund, 42648, appearing on behalf of the plaintiffs.
Hi, Your Honor. My name is Kelly Reddock.
All right. And where are we on this case?
Well, I spoke to the defendant and my clients, and I believe we have a consent judgment. I was just writing it up. If she's willing to sign it, we're changing the writ date to February 15th of 26, which gives her a little bit of extra time to remain in the property. She does agree that she owes the back rent.
Is that correct, ma'am?
Yes.
You agree you owe it?
Yes.
All right. And the 15th, I mean, are you looking for additional time to find someplace or you're gonna try to get this paid?
And then find someplace, Your Honor.
Okay, that's really what the intent here is. All right, let me ask you this then. Is that gonna be enough time for you? Because I think you, if I'm calling correctly, and maybe my memory is failing, you had a little one. You have it 8 years old?
You're right. That's correct.
See, I told you I could.
Judge, you ought to get on Jeopardy with that memory.
Yeah, no, Jeopardy is the,
That's pretty good at our age.
Yes, indeed. All right, and so let me ask you this. And I'm not trying to upset the deal that the folks have come to. Are you gonna relax? All right, it's okay. Is that gonna be enough time for you or?
I hope so. I don't know. As much time as I could get is great, but I appreciate them extending it to that point because I know that's not something they have to do or you have to do.
Okay, let me ask this.
Okay.
Your little one is in school?
Yes. Your Honor.
Second?
third grade.
Third grade. It's been a while for me with little ones. I'm gonna be upset anyway, right?
Mhm.
Do you have funds at all to try to do anything?
Yeah, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so what I was just wondering, I don't know if there's if she could pay a little bit of something and try to get to, I guess they have midwinter breaks or whatever. I just don't want the child's schooling interrupted if we can help it. But I don't know, again, I'm not trying to upset the arrangement, I just. Do you know when that is?
The break,
Yeah,
the calendar, it's in February.
yeah,
I
that's
think
what I
it's the
thought.
weekend of the 5th, though. I believe it's the like 16th. Like the 16th through the 20th?
16th through the 20th is the
I
break.
believe so.
Okay, so maybe we hit this about right then. Okay. I just, because there's gonna be a lot of adjustment there, right?
Yeah, you're right.
The 15th is a Sunday. I'm not-
Yeah, and so nothing would happen. 15th is a Sunday, there's a holiday, so you can't do anything, and so the 17th is the earliest that they could act, so.
That we could get a writ, yeah.
Yeah, so, and then that's gonna take a little bit of time, but at least if you're going that week, you.
I can put the 17th on it because that's the first
Can,
court date.
can we do this? Can we give her to the 20th? That way she has that week clear that the child is out to do what she needs to do. And then if you need to get a writ, you can get a writ. No, you don't have to. I mean, I just have to be available to sign it.
It's already 8 months
Pardon?
without any payment. 8 months without any,
I'm asking for 4 days.
I know. As a landlord, I, sacrifice 8 months payment.
4 days.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
And
All right. So you read that over. Do you agree with, you understand what you're signing there?
I believe so.
Do you want to take some time? I mean, I can pass it briefly and let you look it over and read it carefully. You want me to do that for you?
I believe the attorney, I believe he explained to me the document satisfactory.
Okay.
That I have until the 17th now, right? The 20th
20th
now.
now.
yes,
Okay, to vacate the premises
Vacate or pay the amount by the.
or pay the amount by that time.
Correct.
If you pay the amount by that time, you can stay. If
Got
you
it.
don't pay the amount, you got to be out by that time.
Okay.
if I may, Your Honor, just take a second. The past due rent amount is 26,400. There's an additional 817.93, which is a water bill. So it's, as it stands, it's 27,217.93. I didn't add a filing fee or an attorney fee because the amount is such, it doesn't really make a lot of difference. And I did explain, and maybe I didn't, but there's a 3 business day right to rescind, which I put as January 21st. You could write a letter to the court and say that you wanted them to reconsider or set this aside. You would have to have a good cause, something beyond a change of mind or change of heart, just something that the court could consider within that time period. And they would look at this again in our agreement today.
Okay. I understand this then.
You understand that?
Yeah.
We're both Michigan grads. We sort of bonded in the hallway over.
University of Michigan?
Yes.
Sorry to hear that. I'm a Maryland grad, so we don't, that's the real U of M to me.
Go, just for you, Judge, go Terps.
There we go. Now we're talking.
But as long as you didn't say Ohio State, we're good.
No.
We can mutually dislike them.
That's it. Exactly.
But anyway,
Sure.
Okay, you understand that, ma'am?
Yes, Your Honor,
Okay,
but I don't know where to sign.
it's down at the bottom. There's a little box
Oh.
down there that say defendant.
Well, it's defendant. You're
Oh,
representing yourself.
sorry.
And you don't have any other questions on this, correct?
No, no, Your
I will grant judgment. I will sign off on the consent judgment. And ma'am, I would just indicate to you that so that we're clear on that, you do have 3 business days to think about this. If you believe that there's some right you didn't assert, some misunderstanding, some confusion on your part, you have those 3 business days in which to file a motion before this court. That doesn't mean that I would grant it, but you have those 3 business days.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, folks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good luck to you and the little guy.
Thank you.
All right, take care of yourself.
I have 2 more, Your Honor.
Yes, sir. Is it Blue Heron? Blue Heron Point versus Omar, is it Kimisoro? Soko. Yeah.
Again, Eric Naslin on behalf of the plaintiff. I did not locate a defendant earlier in the hallway.
Soko, no response. Would you like to take a default? If you would, please raise your right hand to be sworn. You solemnly swear a firm testimony you're about to give will be the truth, whole truth?
Yes,
Nothing
Your
but
Honor.
the truth, so help you God. Go ahead.
Yes. Let me just pull up they send me a proposed judgment. And they're indicating that there is rent to retain in the amount of $3759.54, $170 in taxable costs, for a total of $3929.54, and a writ date of Monday, January 26, 26.
All right. Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession, redemption. In the amount requested with the writ issue in 10 days.
Thank you. I'll either prepare it or have them submit it.
That's fine.
Thank
Blue Heron Point versus Crystal McKinsey.
And Eric Naslin for the plaintiff.
Your name?
Crystal McKinsey.
All right. And where are we on this case?
So I talked to the manager this morning and I was asking the lawyer here, I had a payment plan that I wanted to, but he was saying he would make a phone call. He didn't. I don't know if it'll be granted or not. So I don't know.
I don't have a manager here.
Got it.
Respectfully, I'd leave it to the court's discretion. If you want to set it for another hearing, I think that'll
Yeah.
give her a little time and.
Did you pay the 2,000?
No, Your Honor, I have it in my pocket right now. I had my weeks mixed up. It was actually this week. I wanted to pay the 2,000 and then 1,500 next week and then 2,000 after that. That followed.
Is that on an escrow order, Your Honor?
It was not on an escrow order. We had the initial hearing and she had indicated, that was on January 9th. And she indicated she was going to pay 2,000 by the 13th.
Yes, I did. Yes.
And so she says she has that with her now. So
I don't have the money order. I didn't have time to stop and get the money order, but I do have the money to.
I would just
Take it to
suggest if.
David, the manager, I spoke with him before I left and he told me to bring it to Blue Heron in the morning.
oh, tomorrow morning?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
If you want to give us an adjourn date, Your Honor.
I will.
And I think that'll go a long way to.
To wrapping
Out
it
a
up,
deal. Yeah.
because you were and what day were you gonna try to pay the 1,500?
You talking about today?
2,000 today.
Yeah.
And then you were-
23rd, I think it is,
You were gonna pay 1,500.
on the 23rd,
Okay, and then,
another 2,000 on the
Follow-
30th.
oh, okay, so you're gonna be,
And then
and then
I was
your
gonna-
problem is you're gonna be clicking into February, but still,
Exactly,
but
and
you'll
then I
have
should-
wiped out about $5,000.
Yeah, and I was gonna.
Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna adjourn this actually to the 30th. I'm gonna give you 2 weeks out.
Thank
I believe that you're gonna make those payments.
Thank you.
That it won't be as. What time? So January 30th, 2026, 2 p.m.
Thank you.
That's fine. Thank you
All right.
very much. Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Have a good one.